Okay.
Oh yeah, thank you for watching. This is Walleye, fish, dried fish. Goes very good with beer. See Bud Light wine. So this is Walleye, this very good fish. This amazing from farmer's market. Gotta smell? Always when you eat fish like this, it gotta smell good, see? So first you can eat these fins. Not the fins themselves, but under the fin. See meat right here, meat. Smells good. Very delicious. See, with beer, we don't eat peanuts, we eat fish. Dry, salted fish, kind of like jerky. Oh yeah. See, so I took the head off. Don't want to eat the head, see? So now, fish. I'll show you how you do clean. See? This you can eat, see meat in here, it's okay. So now you want to take apart. See mine, fish, I kept it a little too very dry, a little bit dry, but it's okay. Oh yeah. See, all this you can eat, see? Smells good, smells good. See, baby, for you. Yeah. For videotaping, doing good job. See? Very delicious. But we're gonna go ahead and show you what this fish is made up of, see? It's just so delicious, irresistible. See? So you take the skin off. This is, again, you know, I've been having it for my YouTube videos, so it's a little dry. It's been out here. I wrapped it, though, in some plastic so it doesn't get dry very fast. See, so you take, see, you want to pull this out. See this piece of meat right here? Look, this is gonna be nice. A lot of meat right here. See? It's so hard because it's dry. Not always that hard. See, so I pulled some. There's much more in there. But see? Oh, it smells so good. See, and you can eat all this. This is all meat. Just be careful, bones. Because, remember, this is fish. See, little tiny bone. So delicious, and with beer, this is amazing. Walleye. In my language, судак. Кушаем судак. Очень вкусно. Спасибо, что смотрите. Валайчик. You like it, baby? Oh, she loves it. She loves it. She even took. Yeah? And with beer, this is like fish jerky. But good fish. Walleye, if you look it up, this is what bears eat. Please check out some of my videos. We're gonna cook bear steak next time. Bear steak, moose steak, caribou steak. All we cook. Yeah. But this is very cool. So this is, you take this off, more meat inside. Big fish. Big, delicious fish. Very nice. So nice. Thank you for watching. We show you more foods, more other videos. God bless. Have a good night. Bye-bye.